Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through our a la carte options. Now, as you can see from the a la carte page, we have a whole bunch of different options to choose from. The a la carte section itself works very much like a grocery store deli, where you can order foods by the exact macronutrient. So say you want just protein, like a lot of our customers order, you can order just your steak, salmon, chicken, bison, etc. directly from us. If you want to order all the macronutrients you need, you can also order steak with some brown rice, for example, and some broccoli. I'm going to cut open this box here to give you an example of what some of the a la carte items look like. All of our a la carte shows up exactly the same as our meal delivery options in a refrigerated case every Friday nationwide. We ship to all 50 states, including Alaska and Hawaii. The a la carte option is fantastic for any meal-focused diets that include specific macronutrients that you're trying to hit. And in this case, I will pull out an example of some chicken. This is a 16-ounce chicken breast. As you can see, it's been lightly seasoned. The only ingredients in this particular package are cage-free organic chicken, parsley, garlic, onion, black pepper, and salt. Clearly very minimal ingredients that are designed to add a little flavor to the a la carte food, but really minimize the macronutrient impact, so it's as if you cooked the chicken breast at home yourself. In addition to that, we do include full nutrition facts, so even if you're getting broccoli, the grocery store isn't going to include the nutrition facts on the broccoli. We have them for all of our a la carte items. In addition to that, there's heating instructions on the back as well as specifics for the calorie and macronutrient breakdowns. I'll give you guys some other examples. Here is 16 ounces of golden sweet potatoes that are mashed. This is one of my personal favorites. Holy cow, are these amazing, and they come fully cooked just like all the other a la carte items. We've also got an example of one of our vegetables here. This is broccoli. It's another very popular a la carte item. We have a lot of different vegetables to choose from. And as you can see, it's been fully vacuum sealed into the tray. Even though it looks like I'm touching the broccoli directly, it's protected by the vacuum seal. Like all of our other meal plans, the food is 100% USDA organic, gluten, dairy, and soy-free. And for the proteins, they're wild-caught and grass-fed, as well as animal welfare level 5. Animal welfare level 5 essentially means the animals grew up on this same farm their entire lives. They had indoor-outdoor access. They were able to eat grass, play with other animals, and they lived what you and I would consider a normal animal life on a farm. It's essentially the exact opposite of factory farming. In addition to that, the grass-fed and wild-caught proteins are actually higher in protein with their protein-to-fat ratio compared to grain-fed or grain-finished proteins like you would find in the grocery store. On top of that, they actually have a better breakdown of the fat that is included in the proteins of omega-3 to omega-6. So overall, we source the healthiest foods we can find, whether it's proteins, vegetables, or carbohydrates. I'll see if I have another example in here. We've got some flat iron steak. This is arguably one of our most popular a la carte items that people absolutely love. You can get an example of what 1 pound of steak looks like. If you have any additional questions about a la carte, feel free to reach out to our customer service via phone, chat, email, or social media, and they'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks, guys.